Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a little bit of a twist on Cruella De Vil. So this is number 26 of my 31 days of Halloween. I am uploading a new video every single day in October, so you can go to my channel and check out the previous videos, or the most recent is linked in the description below. But the first thing I did was just applied some foundation, and then I took the Too Faced glitter glue and I started applying that to my eyebrow just so that it would be completely flat, and that way when I put paint or makeup on top of it, the hairs wouldn't come through as it would just if it was by itself without any glue. I have seen a lot of people just use a glue stick for this, which is also perfectly fine. I didn't have one available and I don't really want to put glue on my face either. And then I took some of this white paint. I believe it's pronounced Maron. I'm not really sure, to be honest. I should probably Google it and then pronounce it. But I went ahead and I just applied this all over this one portion of my face that I used to outline with some black paint, and then completely covered the inside with white. And this is going to be for the Dalmatian side of our Cruella De Vil. And then the other side is going to be quote-unquote normal makeup, I guess you could say. So I just took a little bit of concealer, applied it to where I normally would, so just under my eyes, my upper lip, chin, bridge of my nose, and forehead, and then blended that out with a beauty blender.
You come to realize you've seen her kind of eyes, watching you from underneath a rock.
You're no help,
Vampire bat, this inhuman beast, she ought to be locked up.
And then I'm also going to be applying the glitter glue on my other eyebrow as well. For some reason, I was having a lot of trouble with this side. You guys will see a little bit later, but it ends up working with the look. I applied some bronzer, and then I'm also going to put some concealer over my eyebrow, and then also some foundation. So for some reason, I just could not get my eyebrow to completely disappear on this side. I'm not sure why. I definitely may try the glue method one day. We'll see. But it ended up working. So then I applied some highlighter. And then now I'm going to make some black dots on the white portion of my face, and this is going to be for the Dalmatian. So you really don't have to be too precise about this, just because Dalmatian spots are not perfect. So I just used a small brush and just kind of made them wherever I thought it looked good. And then with some black eyeshadow, I wanted to make a little bit of a shadow around the outer part where the black line was. So I didn't do it all the way around, I just kind of did it in some specific spots. So right at the very top, in the middle, and then at the very end as well. And then I started bringing it out just a little bit, just makes it look a little bit more like a shadow. And then for the other side, I'm just kind of going back and forth with this. I use my Wolf Hydro Color palette and the green color that's in there. And this is going to be for Cruella's crazy eyeshadow. So because it is so high up, she also has some crazy eyebrows, which we will get to. But I went ahead and just applied this to my eyelid, over my eyebrow, and then colored it in with the green paint. After I'm done with the green, I went ahead and I applied a black outline around that paint. And then I started with the eyebrow. So she has very, very thin, very arched eyebrows. So I went ahead and I did that with some paint. It ended up looking a little bit too ovally for me, so I just cleaned it up a little bit with some concealer and an angled brush. And then I applied my wispy eyelashes.
Cruella De Vil, Cruella De Vil, if she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will.
And now I took some of my Smashbox Be Legendary liquid lipstick. I actually got this from Sephora in a sample bag, and it actually worked really well for this look. And then with some red paint, it was either I made some blood, like made drips of blood coming from the outside, but I decided I just wanted to kind of give it a shadow with the red paint, just kind of to make it look more bruised and completely wounded and kind of like the previous looks that I've done that are just super gory. I didn't want that one to be like this. And then the one side of my hair, I just painted white, just like Cruella De Vil. So I parted it right down the middle and just used some watercolor paints for this as well. And then that finishes my Cruella De Vil look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get notified when I upload every day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.
And never released. The world was such a wholesome place.